The big story on 12 News at 5. Bombshell new allegations against the now fired University of Arizona head coach Rich Rodriguez. His former assistant accuses him of sexual harassment, secrecy, and inappropriate behavior, all behind closed doors. Good evening, I'm Joe Dana.
And I'm Tramai. Mark and Caribe are off. This explosive new details outlined in a new multi-million-dollar notice of claim. Team 12's Charlie Etzedy joins us live from the Alert Center with details from those documents. Charlie?
Well, in total, there are 9 pages of allegations coming from this former assistant, including a claim that another member of the coaching staff brought a sick player to Rich Rod for help just one day before he died. The former head coach's assistant, Melissa Williamson, says in a notice of claim that Rich Rod knew something was up with his offensive lineman, Zach Hemela.
I don't know any of the details. Last I saw him last night after a meeting, talked.
The document states the evening before Zach's death, a staff member brought the player to Rodriguez, saying he needed some help and that something was wrong. But Rodriguez did not do anything and said, quote, he'll be fine. The next day, the player was found dead from a toxic mix of prescription pills. Another bombshell claim suggests Rodriguez was power hungry and in desperate need of control over his staff, demanding certain people maintain a, quote, triangle of secrecy that protected his alleged inappropriate behavior. Williamson says Rodriguez touched her breast, tried kissing her, held his privates while speaking to her, gave her large sums of money, and also demanded she cover up his extramarital affair. Rodriguez responding to the claims on Twitter saying, quote, I am not a perfect man, but the claims by my former assistant are simply not true. And the couple filed the notice of claim on December 28th, and they contend Rodriguez's actions and maintaining his secrets actually affected their marriage, and they're now asking for $7.5 million in damages. And tonight, the Arizona Board of Regents say they support the coach's termination. We're live from the Alert Center. Charlie Etzedy, 12 News.